Hello my dear friends of electronics. In this video I want to talk about some ceramic capacitor and downsizing. Well, in the market is a very curious politic what can be pushed from multiple manufacturers which try to skip the 1210 and 0805 size and push the customer to 0603 and 04 size. But you have to take in consideration as soon you are going with the same capacity in a very small package like 0603 or 0402, you have a very DC bias voltage dependency. The capacity will drop a lot. In consideration with our politics, I think we will keep our components in 1210 or 0805 until, I will say, until I will go to be retired. But for better, before you start to think about downsizing, try to use this aluminum polymer capacity called H chips. I have here a small demo with 24 times 47 microfarad capacity and the same footprint and same size on the PCB. We have 4 times 220 microfarad or just one piece of H chip 220 microfarad. All three of them will be supplied from a 6-volt battery, and then a load is a simple LED with the same resistors. And if I leave to run on the capacitors, you can very easily see that the same place, which is 24 times 47 microfarad, can be replaced by one single chip 220 microfarad. Because on the 6-volt, the voltage dependence is almost nothing, and the ceramic capacitors, they drop a lot. So I hope you have some new information for you, and watch my next videos. Bye bye.